succulents together. They're so cute. I love them. Hey, it's Emily, and this week we are unboxing succulents because how fun is that? So I recently subscribed to a subscription that will send you 2 succulents every single month for however long you are subscribed to them. And they're called Succulent Studios. So basically it's like around $15 a month including shipping, and then your first box I got $5 off. And then this month I have 2 boxes because they had this special thing where they were selling an extra box that you could subscribe to just for that month if you wanted to. And so I decided to do that just because I don't have a lot of succulents at the moment and I'm trying to get some quick because cuteness. So anyways, we currently have 4 succulents, 2 in each box. And then this is my January subscription and I subscribed in December. So these are the 2 that I got in December. They're already potted. They just came with a plant, and then I spray painted these 2 pots white from Goodwill. This one used to be purple, this one was red. That's what they look like. They're super cute. I like plants, and my goal for like all my succulents is to put them all in white pots and just have an arrangement of different white pots and succulents, and I think that'll be super cute, and it could be like other plants too. But right now it's just succulents because that's what we have. So basically in this video I'm going to be unboxing succulents, I'm going to be finding pots, painting them white, and then potting all the succulents. So let's start by unboxing the first succulent. Okay, so here's one. They're not very sealed, so you could easily just open them. Like, this is the box that they're shipped in, and then all of a sudden they're like open, and then you can see them. How cute. Okay, so basically the side, well, one of the sides is sealed by the sticker, so I think I'm gonna have to blur out my address. That's annoying. Oh no. Okay. So first they come with little cards that tell you what type of succulent they are and then how to care for them. And so we have the zebra wart and the deados. So we're gonna unbox them really quick. Oh, here it is. So basically it says, "Thank you, we hope you enjoy your new succulents. If there is a problem with your shipment, let us know." And then it's got like all their information. And then a bunch of cute little succulents across the bottom. It's like a simple little cute box. So we are supposed to pull this forwards, but I'm always like scared that I'm gonna ruin the succulents. Okay, and then that comes off. And here's the succulents. Look how cute. So we have this one. I think this is the deados. And then this one's the zebra wart. He's cute. And then in here I have a few extra little leaves that fell off of the deados plant. And then that's it. That's what the box looks like. They just stick them in there and close it up and ship it to you. And then on the bottom it says, "Help me, I'm upside down," so that if anybody sees it like that, then they'll be like, "Oh, it belongs this way." So those are the first 2 plants. They're really cute. To care for the deados, it says, "I grow short, finger-like leaves that look like jelly beans. My leaves range from an icy green to pale blue, and often they'll have pink tips." So I'm seeing green with pink tips and a little bit of blue on some of the leaves. As a sedum, I require very little care. I'll thrive in both direct and indirect sunlight, and I appreciate some water whenever my soil is completely dry. I'll bloom small yellow flowers in the summer. That's cute. I have a few of them that say they'll bloom little yellow flowers. So that's the deados one. And then we have the zebra wart. This one, I'm a cute shrubby succulent that varies in color from red, brown to green. This one's got a rusty red to green. I get my name from the little white wart markings or warts along my leaves. That's an interesting way to put it. Although my growth season is winter, I crave at least 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight a day. During the hottest months of summer, I'll go dormant and pause growing. Aw. Perfect for a beginner plant parent. I don't need much care. Just set me on a sunny windowsill or in a pot with other succulents and I'll thrive. That's perfect, because I'm planning on putting a few succulents in one of my pots that I got, which I will show later in the video. So that's those 2. But now we have another box. This is the January subscription. The other one was the extra little add-on. So I'm going to open this. Oh, I haven't even seen them yet. You're seeing them before me. Okay, we got a little cute one and a little grassy one. Let's take them out. Oh no, see, that's what I'm worried will happen. So we have this one. It's super tiny. And then we have this one that's tall. And that's everything. Box is the same as before. Okay, so in this box we have the blue chalk sticks. And we have the blue burrito. So for the blue burrito, I'm a pale blue succulent with short pointed leaves arranged in lovely rosettes. With lots of sunlight, the tips of my leaves will turn pink. I crave direct sunlight, but can tolerate partial sun. In winter, I only need water once a month. In warmer weathers, soak my soil every couple of weeks. So this one does not need a lot of water. And then we have the blue chalk sticks. This one, I am a powdery blue succulent with beautiful cylindrical leaves. In midsummer to early fall, I'll bloom little white flowers. That's cute. I love full direct sunlight to a south-facing window, which is the best place for me. In winter, I only need enough water to keep my leaves from wilting. In warmer weathers, soak my soil every couple of weeks. So these ones have about the same amount of care. So here are all my 4 little succulents together. They're so cute, I love them. Okay, so now moving on to the pots. So here are some of the pots that I already have. Most of them are from Goodwill. This one I plan on painting the bottom of it white and then leaving the top pink so that it has a little pop of color. So that's if I decide to use it as a pot, which I'm not sure about because I want my pots to all be white. And the rest of these are already white. This one I spray painted white already and it used to be blue. These ones, there's 4 of them like this that I got for Christmas. You'll see them in the What I Got for Christmas haul, which is linked in the corner. And then here I have this other white pot that I got from Goodwill that was already white. I also have a few more pots. These ones I got from Goodwill a few days ago, so I'll show them in the next clip. So basically I have this clear glass one that I plan on painting white, and I'll see how well that works and I'll show you in one of the next clips later on. This one was $2.99. And then this one's already white, so that's perfect. It's kind of nice. It's a really big pot, so it'll need a bigger plant, but that's alright. And this one was also $2.99. And then this one, it's not the cutest right now, but I plan on painting it white and then adding like 2 or 3 succulents in it, and this one was $1.99. Okay, so now I'm going to pair up the succulents with pots that I'm going to put them in, and I'll pop them eventually in this video. So I know I'm going to use these 2 because they're already white, they're ready to be used, and then this one I have a few of them, so I might do multiple in this one. So this is a rather small pot, so I'm thinking that it would be perfect for the tiniest plant. And this is the blue burrito plant. I don't know why it's called the blue burrito, but we're gonna put that one in here, I think. And then this one, I think this like wider plant would look super cute in it. I also have this smaller pot, which I think is a perfect size for one of them, so it might be this one or maybe this one. Yeah, I like this one in it, so I'm gonna paint that one white. Or honestly, I think I might add a little bit of clear accents to my little white potted succulent arrangement. So I'm going to try planting this one in it clear and see how I like it. So that's that one. So one of my other ideas was to put a bunch of little succulents in this one because I think that'd be so cute to have a whole little bowl of succulents. So I might also do that instead of putting them each in their separate pots. So we'll see what happens. So this plant does well by itself or with other plants, but these ones all require direct sunlight, and this one requires specifically indirect. So putting this one with any of these plants would not work unless I put it only with the Deado's plant, which I could do, but I'm thinking 3 would be the best option for this little pot because 2 just isn't enough. But also I don't love the combination of all of these plants together. I think there's not enough variety. So I might leave this pot for a later use. So at the moment I'm going to put these ones in these pots and then these ones in these pots. And then I'm going to leave this one not spray painted for now, and then I might change it later. But I'm still going to go ahead and paint the 2 pots that I have to paint in this video, and then I might make this like an overtime video and then next month also pot some of the succulents, or I might just post just a few of these and then maybe make another video or include a little segment in one of my future videos of me unboxing my other plants if y'all are interested in that. So now I'm going to go ahead and pot the 4 plants that I have in the pots that I decided that would be best for them. Okay, so now that I potted all the plants that I had, now I'm going to go and spray paint the 2 pots that weren't white, that I wanted to paint white. So now would be the time that I would show you the finished product of the 2 pots that I just spray painted. But I just went outside to go check on them and bring them in and film this portion. And the wind knocked over the tarp that was on my table, pushing both of the pots to the ground and shattering them. So basically all that effort was for nothing, but I'm going to do that basic process of painting pots with any other pots that I find at Goodwill or anywhere else that I want to paint white. So you get the general idea, but you don't get to see the pots because they're gone now. Anyways, outro Emily. Okay, so basically that's all of the video. I painted all of the plant pots, I showed you all the succulents, and right now I'm at my windowsill. This is my curtains behind me, and that's where I keep all my succulents, is just on my windowsill, which I'll show a shot of that right here. Also, I've recently been posting a lot of DIY videos, and this is going to be the last strictly DIY video on my channel. I'm actually going to filter into posting more fashion and clothing videos and other things like that, because that's something that I'm more interested in than DIY projects, even though I do enjoy crafting and DIY, which was honestly the original intention of my channel, but I've changed since then. And then I'm also going to be posting more like lifestyle type videos, because I recently posted a poll and a few of y'all said you were interested in stuff like that. So I thought, well, why not post some more, because it's also fun to make. Also, I'm going to post another poll in the corner, so go ahead and check that out and answer it. It's going to be asking you what type of videos you all want to see, so make sure you go and answer that poll. Just click on the little eye in the corner of the screen and it'll take you to the poll, and it'll also show you all the videos that I linked. So that's everything. Also, comment of the week. Honestly, just comment what type of videos y'all want to see if it's not in the poll, because honestly, I want to know. Also, send me your constructive criticism. Like, I want to know what y'all think. I'm not going to hate you if you say something bad about my channel. Like, it's fine as long as it's constructive. Also, comment if you want to see me unbox my future succulent subscriptions for like February, March, and any of the other months, because I could do that as well. And give it a like if you enjoyed my last little strictly DIY project. I might post more DIY how-to tutorial related things in the future, but this is my last thing that's like specifically going to be in that niche. Also, subscribe by hitting the little watermark on the corner of the video if you are using a computer, or if not, just click the button below the video. And come back next week, because my next video, I already have it planned and filmed, and it's going to be super fun, and I'm honestly pretty happy with it. So come back next Monday and subscribe to see that. Anyways, I will see you next Monday. Bye!